How to change mobile network access point name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and you will see first option is connections. Click on connections. After click on connections, scroll down and click on mobile network. After click on mobile network, you will see access point name is here. Click on access point name. If you want to change network access point name, so you will change from here. So after change point access name, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change mobile network access point name on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.